Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good morning to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So, guys, in my previous session, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge, whatever knowledge I have. In my career awareness series, I've tried to give you that information that how you can make your career, how you can build your career in proper way. In my today's session, I'm going to talk about something that is very interesting. That what are the examples of full stack web developers? Okay, full stack development refers to the development of both front end and back end. Popular stack of full stack developments are like that. Min stack. Min aim stands for MongoDB. E stands for Express. A stands for AngularJS and N stands for Node.js. Mon stack. In Mon stack, Mon aim stands for MongoDB. E stands for Express. R stands for React.js and N stands for Node.js. Django stack. Django, Python, and MySQL as database, and Rails and Ruby on Rails. Uses Ruby, PHP, and MySQL. LAMP stack. It's Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. How to choose a technology stack for web application development. Right now, I'm going to discuss it with you. Okay, the world has changed to mobile first era, but even today, none of the applications could enhance as effective as the web-based apps surfacing on the top of this prevalence of progressive web apps that performs functions identical to mobile apps. So it's pretty clear that web apps are going to stay, and for long what makes these web applications worth investing is the use of high-end scalable technologies for the development, or in simpler words, using top-notch quality technology stack. So now no wonder companies spend considerable time choosing the right technology stack for the development of web applications. It is a technology stack that determines the overall functionality of the application, its interface, and potential features. Web development stack. When it comes to developing an web application, it's not just about integrating an idea and giving it a visual appearance. It is far more than a non-technical individual could ever imagine. Okay, web development has two phases. One being the front end development and the other being the back end, or its simple words, the client side development. The client side of an application is the part is visible to the client side, okay, of an application to the users, and their represent the face or the facade of an application. The web stack technologies associated with these development layers are not numerous, like HTML, CSS. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to design the front end portion of the web pages using markup language. HTML is combination of hypertext and markup language. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages. Okay, so the markup language is used to define the text documentation within tag, which defines the structure of web pages. JavaScript and frameworks. JavaScript is a framework scripting language used to create the magic on the sites to make the functionality of a website for running cool games and web-based software. There are so many frameworks for JavaScript like AngularJS, React.js, jQuery, etc. Programming languages like Ruby, Python, C++, PHP, Java, Scala. Database, Oracle, SQL, MongoDB. Server is Apache. Tips to choose a web tech stack. So now you know what web development is. Why do you need it? And what are the available web development stack? Now you need to have a clear image on how the right web development stack for your application you can choose. Okay, so right now I'm going to discuss about So guys, at first define your project requirements. The project size and the corresponding complexity are some of the most important aspects while choosing a stack. Okay, for smaller projects, you can go with Node.js or Python. Mid-sized projects have greater requirements, and so you need to expand your stack. Okay, so and so you need to expand your stack, picking up technologies that map project needs, and similarly for larger projects it is necessary that you analyze each aspect and then deploy the right technology. Development time: in case you want to project to be developed in the minimal possible time, choosing ready made solutions or frameworks that enable easy integration would cut down the fleet to the market. Okay, so the third one is scalability. For projects the necessary upscaling, it becomes imperative to add technologies that have a future purpose. Whether it is scaling upward or sideways, the choice of the technology determines the potential of scalability. Development cost: while developing a project, you also need to consider your team, their skills, and your area of expertise. Choosing a stack that you develops are not experienced in would doom the new to hire third-party developers. This might cost high in your pocket. Hence, before you make a decision on the web development stack, sit with your team, know what they consider appropriate, and then end up on a sound decision. So, tech stack of famous projects. We would not suggest simply copying a project's tech stack, but having an idea on development stack of some of the famous projects might help you determine yours. Okay, so guys, according to a survey, Ruby on Rails is one of the best technologies to invest in for web development and also the highest paid job. However, this does not make you liable to go with the same. You can build an excellent web applications taking the consideration all the above stated tech stacks. Remember, you need to find not the best but the most appropriate on that fits in your requirement effectively. So guys, whatever I have said, I have tried to provide you the knowledge that if you are going to develop an application, what will be the technologies you need to learn, and how you can choose the proper technology to develop an web application. So in my today's session, I provided you the knowledge. It's simply a technical knowledge. So guys, in my another session, I'm going to talk about any other thing. Right now, one good news for you that right now PCS Global is located in Bengaluru also. We have two offices in Bengaluru. The first one is located in 91 Marathali, Mahadevpura, Spring Road, okay? And the another office is located in BTS layout. We have another 3 contact centers, okay? So if you wanted to contact with us, kindly communicate with me. My number is going on in the description box. You can call me, and after getting that information, you can visit our centers. Our concerned persons will be there, and you can go and you can talk with them to get the best knowledge, whatever knowledge you wanted to get. And PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java full stack development, Java DevOps, in Salesforce, in Python, in data science, in our CELP project is also going on. That is our on-job training project. In that project, you can work our free internship programs, our webinar sessions, our master classes are also going on. Our paid internship sessions are also going on as well. So if you wanted to know about the paid internship sessions or free internship sessions, you can communicate with our HR persons. Okay, they will provide you the timing and the schedule and what are the things you need to do. They will provide you the knowledge. Being the brand ambassador of Pay Nation Computer Solutions Global Private Limited, it's my duty to give you the basic knowledge that how you can start your career, how it's my duty to motivate you that what are the things you need to do to be a proper professional person. And in my career journey series, I have tried to provide you the best knowledge. In my career journey series, you can see more than 30 plus candidates are there who has worked with PCS Global. Right now they are working in another MNCs very successfully, and what are the experience they got from our training sessions, and what are the experience they got from working with us. We provide the way to work in live projects. You can work in our live projects, you can work in our in-house projects, that can give you a mileage that you have that hands-on experience in working in a project. And our self motivation classes are also going on, you can join that also. In their classes I will provide you the best knowledge, whatever motivation I can provide you. And in PCS Global we are providing the training for all technologies. You can be the next person who are looking for job, who are looking for best opportunities, who is a job seeker, who has wasted more than 5 years in your life, but right now you are looking for a better career opportunity. We are PCS people. We are 10 years company in market, and more than 15 plus candidates has worked with us. Right now more than 1100 plus associates are working with us, okay, in several projects. So if you wanted to start your career, don't waste time, guys. It is the high time to start your career. And being a brand ambassador of Pension Computer Solutions Global Private Limited, it's Demitra Banerjee's from Demitra Banerjee's side. I would like to say that if you wanted to know anything, kindly communicate with me. So this is for now. Bye for now. Have a very good day. Stay safe. Be happy. Make others happy too. And kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment below. And if you feel that my video is good, kindly share it with other persons also. So